Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mr. Teacher Daily. This podcast is made to help you practice English in a simple way.
Yes, this podcast is for English learners. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen, relax, and learn step by step.
Before we start today's episode, please subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us make more English content for you.
Subscribe now because after this intro, we will start a long and easy English conversation.
All right, let's start the intro. Welcome back, everyone, to Mr. Teacher Daily. I'm John.
And I'm Emma. Today's episode is all about Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is one of the most popular holidays in the world. Emma, how do you feel about Christmas?
I feel very happy when Christmas comes. It's a time to relax, smile, and enjoy life.
I feel the same. The weather is cold, but the feeling is warm.
That's true. I love seeing Christmas lights at night.
Me too. The lights make the streets look beautiful.
John, do you decorate your house for Christmas?
Yes, I do. I decorate the Christmas tree with my family.
That sounds nice. What colors do you like on the tree?
I like red, green, and gold. What about you?
I like white and blue lights. They look calm and peaceful.
That's a great choice. Decorating is fun, and it brings people together.
John, let's talk about gifts. Do you like Christmas gifts?
Yes, but I like giving gifts more than receiving them.
Me too. I enjoy choosing a gift for someone I love.
What kind of gifts do you like to give?
Simple gifts. Books, small decorations, or handmade gifts.
Handmade gifts are very special. Emma, what about Christmas food?
I love Christmas cookies and cakes.
Same here. I also like hot chocolate and warm drinks.
Hot chocolate on a cold day is perfect.
Yes, it feels like Christmas.
Do you listen to Christmas music, John?
Yes, all the time. I listen to it at home and in the car.
Me too. Christmas music makes me feel calm.
It also helps me practice English songs.
That's a great idea for learners.
Emma, do you spend Christmas with family?
Yes, Christmas is family time for me.
Same here. We talk, eat together, and watch movies.
I love watching movies during Christmas.
Do you have a favorite Christmas movie?
Yes, I love happy and funny movies.
Me too. Christmas movies are relaxing.
Dear listeners, this podcast is for English practice.
You can pause the episode, repeat the sentences, and practice speaking.
Listen every day, even for 10 minutes.
Small steps make big progress.
John, what does Christmas mean to you?
Christmas means love, kindness, and peace.
That's beautiful. For me, Christmas means hope and happiness.
It's a time to be thankful.
Do you have a Christmas tradition?
Yes, we always decorate together.
That's nice. I like writing wishes for the new year.
That's a great habit.
Don't be afraid to speak English.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Practice every day.
And enjoy the process.
Thank you for listening to Mr. Teacher Daily.
Don't forget to subscribe for more English practice.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas and keep practicing English.